Okay, everybody face me, attention. And bow. Okay, guys, for today's class, hopefully you guys can get a chair. So if you need to get that, hit pause right now, get your chair, come back, and we'll get started. Okay? So we're gonna be using this chair, and we're gonna be using the wall. And we're really gonna make sure our side kicks look good today. So put that chair, a couple feet away from the wall. Put yourself in between the wall and the chair. Hand on the wall. Now let's go ahead and review real quick how to do that side kick. Now the side kick is done in 4 parts. We're gonna chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. And I really want you to focus on going as low as possible. Maybe not as slow as possible, but about the speed that I'm going. Chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Now when you're doing this kick, one habit we want to break is dropping our head as we kick. This is a common mistake for beginners. So that's why we're gonna go slow and we're gonna make sure our eyes stay forward. So maybe pick a target that you wanna keep your eyes on, and when you kick, chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Again, that common problem, people will kick and put their head down like this. That's gonna be one of our main focuses. Okay, so we're gonna be kicking together here, you guys. Make sure you follow along. Chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Make sure to make that leg totally straight. Lock that leg up. Again, chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Very good. Again, chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Okay, let's go ahead and switch legs. Okay, again, remember we're gonna keep those eyes forward. To get that target, whatever you're looking at, keep your eyes on that target the whole time. Chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Again, chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Notice when I kick, my leg is totally straight. I'm gonna hold that leg out for a moment. Re-chamber and down. Again, chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Let's do a couple more. Chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Again, chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Okay, so I want you to do 3 more sets. A set is gonna be 10 right, 10 left. And going slow, chamber, kick, locking the leg out, re-chambering and down. Remember, one of our main focuses today is on keeping those eyes forward, that head up. Okay, 3 sets of 10 on each leg. Get going, everybody. So now that you guys are done with your wall side kicks, let's do sliding side kicks. We're still gonna be using that chair. Now, let's go ahead and get set up. We're gonna be in that fighting stance. So remember our slide? We're gonna slide together. Okay, it's also okay to slide behind. Okay, what the big no-no is never slide in front on that side kick. Okay, so remember, you can slide together, you can slide behind, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna go nice and slow. Slide together, chamber, kick, re-chamber. And look how my feet land right where I started, and then I step back. Okay, so again, we're gonna slide, chamber, kick, re-chamber, and back. Now, I'm still doing my kick slow, okay? I don't want you guys going very fast right now. I really wanna get that technique down first. Okay, again, slide, chamber, kick, re-chamber. Look how I land together, and back. Slide, chamber, kick, re-chamber, and back. Okay, let me show you a couple on the other side. So again, remember, we can slide 2 ways. We can slide together, okay, or you can slide behind. I recommend trying both and seeing which one feels the most comfortable for you to do, okay? Okay, so again, we come together, chamber, kick, re-chamber, down. Okay, just like before, I'm working on keeping my eyes up. I want to pick a target here, and I want to keep my eyes focused on that target. Again, I want to slide, kick, and back. Again, slide, kick, and back. Okay, so you guys are going to practice on your own now for a little bit on those sliding side kicks. I want you to do 4 sets this time. Okay, do 4 sets of 10 on each leg. So 10 right, 10 left. That's a set. Maybe take a little break. By the last set, you can pick up the speed a little bit. Okay, but make sure we keep that head up, eyes forward. Okay, guys, begin. So we're going to be working on your kicking combinations for a few minutes here. The main kind of goal we're going to be focusing on today is working on the flow of our combinations. Now, flow, you think about like a river flowing, it's continuous, it's non-stop, it never stops moving. And that's gonna be what our goal is today with our combination. We're actually gonna start off kind of slow, and we're gonna work on getting that flow in our combination by the end. Okay, so let's go ahead and review this combination real fast. I'm gonna start down here, so front kick combination first. Okay, so number one, front kick, step forwards. Okay, slide front kick, land in front. I want to bring that back knee up, jump front kick, bend, pop up front kick, jab, punch. Okay? I want you to turn and face the other direction now. Now this time, switch feet. Make sure your left leg is behind you. We're going to practice both sides today, guys. Okay? So again, front kick, land in front, slide front kick, land in front, bring that back knee up, jump front kick, and then bend both legs, pop up front kick, jab, punch. Okay, and again, turn. Okay, so we should have that right leg behind us again. Let's do the combination a few more times. Okay, we're doing it together here, guys. Ready? Front kick, step forwards, slide front kick, jump front kick, pop up front kick, jab, punch. Okay, and turn. So remember, we're doing the opposite side. Make sure you got that left leg behind you. Okay, so ready. Front kick, slide front kick, jump front kick, pop front kick, jab, punch. Okay, so let's start working on the flow. Okay, and like I said, flow is, you know, kind of that continuous movement, not stopping. So your goal is to never stop your momentum, never stop your movement. Let me show you what I mean, okay? That doesn't mean you have to go fast. You can have a slow flow, okay? So after I throw that first kick, if you watch, I kick, I haven't landed yet. Right as I land, I'm gonna start the next kick. And then again, I haven't landed yet, but right as I land, I start the next kick. I haven't landed yet. Right as I land, I start the next kick, jab, punch. Okay, we're gonna turn, do the other side. So this time I'm gonna try to flow a little quicker. Okay, so watch again. Okay, it's front, land, kick, land, kick, land, kick, jab, punch. So you really wanna kind of hold the landing of the kick, you know, pause it for a second, and think about what the next kick is, and right as you're landing, starting the next kick. So let me show you one more time. Okay, so I'm gonna try to go a little quicker with the flow. If you can hopefully watch and see that, you know, I'm not stopping the momentum at all. So it's kick, land, land, kick, jab, punch. So that's what I want you guys to work on, okay? You're gonna work on the front kick combination for about 3 to 5 minutes. Practice both sides, and remember, our goal today is working on that flow. Okay, guys, get going. Okay, so let's start working on the roundhouse combination now. Now I want my dragon belt and my white belts to work on this combination also. Even though it's not part of your belt requirements, it's good to learn it now, so by the time you get to yellow belt, you guys already know it, okay? So if you can do the front kick combination, you can do the roundhouse combination. They're almost the same, okay, the same movements, we're just turning that kick a little bit. So the first kick, again, is that rear leg roundhouse landing forwards. Now I want to slide roundhouse. I'm going to bring that back leg up, jump roundhouse. I'm going to bend, pop up roundhouse, jab, punch. Okay, I'm going to turn. Okay, now my left leg's behind me, so I'm working on that left side combination. Okay, so again, number one, rear leg round, sliding round, jumping round, pop up round, jab, punch. Okay, so again, our goal on combinations today is to work on the flow. So now I want to demonstrate this combination with a little bit more flow. And if you guys recall, you know, it doesn't have to be fast. The flow does not have to be fast. In fact, it's best to do like a slow flow. Okay, so I'm going to throw that first kick, and before I land, I'm thinking about what comes next. I'm going to think about what comes next. And right as I land, I throw that kick, jab, punch. Okay? One more time. Roundhouse combination. working on the flow. Rear leg round, slide round, jump round, pop round, jab punch. Okay guys, remember 4 kicks. Rear leg round, slide round, jump round, pop round. You're practicing that 3 to 5 minutes, really working on that flow, practicing both sides, right leg back, left leg back. Get going. Okay everybody, I want to work on your hook punches today. Now hook punches are one of my favorite punches because everyone knows how to punch straight. That's easy. It's not easy to throw those hook punches, and those hook punches surprise people. They expect that attack coming straight at them. If you can come at an angle, it's going to really surprise people. Okay? So I want to get started by actually practicing our elbow smash. Okay? Now if you remember how we do self-defense number 1, you know how we do that elbow smash. That will help you to do a proper hook punch. So I want you to take your front hand, okay? And all I want you to do is do an elbow with that hand. Again, elbow. And actually, let's practice both hands. So we're gonna go elbow with one hand, and then elbow with the other hand. Again, elbow, 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 elbow. Again, just going side to side. Elbow, elbow. Now, probably the most important thing on your punches, especially as hook punches, is your feet, your legs. They need to pivot. The power from a punch does not come from your arms, it comes from the legs. So if you watch my feet, watch my legs, what they're doing. See how I turn, turn. Let me give you a side view here, okay? I turn that foot, turn that foot. Turn, 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 turn. So keep practicing these elbows, and practice turning as you throw each one. Turn, turn. Okay, so I want you to practice just that, the pivot elbow for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you're going right, left, right, left. Okay guys, get going, begin. Okay guys, welcome back. Hopefully we got those pivots down. Let's throw the actual hook punch. So we're gonna start with our front hand. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna, instead of doing that elbow, all you do is extend the arm out a little bit. So instead of here, it's here. It's a very small difference. But as I throw that hook, look at my foot, look what it did, it turns. And then the other hand, hook. Okay, let me give you a side view. Again, I'm gonna hook, look how that foot turned. Now watch this foot, hook, and turn. Hook, hook. Now there's different ways to hold your hands. Some people like to have the hand this way, where the knuckles are horizontal. Some people like to have the knuckles up. Either one's okay. It's more about what's comfortable for you. So maybe practice with both, but those are the 2 positions you should be in. Okay, let's do a couple more together. Again, hook, 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 hook. And if you got like a parent that can hold for you, maybe they can hold a pillow out here. They can even simply just hold their hands up. Okay, you can punch that hand and then punch the other hand from side to side as you practice those hook punches. Remember, what's the most important thing on that hook punch? It is to pivot. So, whatever we ask you, where does the power come from on a punch? Don't say, most people will say the fist, the arm. It's the lower body, okay? It's the legs, it's the hips, you gotta turn. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes, and then that's the end of your class. Thanks for joining us today, guys.